guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Dee, and today I'm just gonna be vlogging. We're gonna be going to the supermarket to get a couple stuff. Cause me and Sissy are gonna collab and we're gonna do a mukbang. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna be taking you along with us to the supermarket, showing you guys what we're gonna be buying or whatever. And then when we get back home, showing you guys what we're gonna be cooking. And yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we just got here to Aldi's, and we're about to get out and go in to see what we get for dinner. So stay tuned. So we're here, y'all. Look at Mimi. Chi-Chi.
Here you go.
Sissy.
Them shoes again.
Swissy. Lily. Swissy Lily.
Oh, hey.
Yes. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is what we got so far. Look at my beautiful Sissy.
Let's get two packs.
We're shopping, guys. Shopping.
Yeah, shopping.
So can we get this soda?
So we can pay for dinner. Mira, se fue tu mãe.
Stay next to mommy. So we have Lily, Mimi, and Chi-Chi over there. They're doing a challenge today. Okay guys, so I'm looking for the chicken and the shredded cheese and stuff like that, and farm cheese. So yeah, give me a few seconds while I get everything situated. So that's everything that we got.
If it's more room, can you put some in there?
Oh sure, why not? This is how you bag.
Huh?
This is how you bag.
Yes. When I'm with Swiss, she bags up for me.
Here, one bag.
Cause I do not know how to bag, right? Look at my hair, y'all. Why you bought them that? Look what they got.
What they got?
They got bueno. The girls got bueno. And we're just here, guys. Now we are about to head home so we can start the cooking. So I'll leave y'all with Alright guys, so we're about to start cooking. We're about to start cooking it up. I'm so sweaty.
Okay, so this is everything we're using. All the seasonings, which is red peppers, complete seasoning, adobo, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and some sazon, of course. Some chicken, the pasta, the mushrooms. I'm thinking about adding some green peppers to it. So yeah, just stay tuned, y'all. Here on camera.
Bobby.
Yeah. Poppy's
He's
Poppy's
laying down.
here.
Yeah,
I
he's
thought he
laying
was
down.
outside. Okay. So yeah, guys, while I'm chopping the chicken up, what the heck? While I'm chopping the chicken up, I am. Oh, my sister is doing the rice. She's gonna make butter garlic rice. Wait, that's what you're making, right? Yeah. So that's what we're doing, guys. I'll show you guys the process of everything in a little bit. Let me finish chopping the chicken up, and you know, see you guys in a little bit. Get a piece of chicken. Okay, so we have the chicken is done already, y'all. The water is boiling for the noodles, and I am making the sauce. I got the mushroom cooking there, whatever. Got the mushroom sauce. I mean, got the mushrooms cooking there. I'm doing I just added some cream cheese. So yeah, y'all. It's in the process, so stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did finish cooking. I forgot to show you guys the food because it was like so good and I was so hungry. We were all so hungry. So yeah, this is the end of the video. It was a short video, y'all. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell button. So every time we post a video, you guys will get notified. And yeah guys, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.